Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps. Today I'm going to share with you HUMMER H2, how you can place your wiper blades or the wiper assembly itself. It's very easy and simple to remove it. I'm going to share with you this. So this is the wiper assembly and this is the locking mechanism which I wanted to show it to you. If we press this one up like that, you pull it up with the fingernail or needle nose or small screwdriver. So what it does, it opens up like this, and there is a notch. So that notch, when you're going to put it back in, you're going to put it into the same location. In order to remove it, you just pull it up, and once you pull it, it will release from the lever. And now in order to put it back, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put it in the notch which corresponds to the hole, the one I showed you, and that's it. And that's how it's easy and simple to remove and replace your wiper blade assembly on HUMMER. Thank you for joining Easy Step. Thank you. Bye-bye.